Hey there, champ! Today is going to be a fun session as we are going to make a tree. So let's open our books and see what do we have. Well, yes, we have a big, lush green tree for which we have 4 steps to make. Can we start by making the first step? Yes, we are going to draw a rough drawing at first. And then make the curves for the tree. After that, it is time for us to make a V like this and make a curve in the middle. Once we are done with that, continue making the bark of the tree, for which you need to make a C and a C but another way round. Now, let's make these curves right on top of our oval so that we get these leafy or bushy tree line. That's amazing! Now, let's take our sketch pen and trace this nicely. Make sure you go very slow while tracing, as we need to trace right on top of the fair drawing. We cannot make it on our rough drawing. Let's go slow while making these curves. If you make a mistake, it is going to be very difficult for you to erase it. Complete making the entire tree in a similar way. Erase all the pencil marks you see. Once you're done erasing all the pencil marks, let's choose the color which is similar to the one in the book and start coloring. Now you know the drill. All you have to start with is by making the outline of the tree. Do you know how to color the outline? Well, yes, we need to color in a C by touching the outer line of the tree. Continue coloring in a similar way. Did you see what did we do here? Yes, we made compartments in standing line and after that started filling color in each compartment. We need to press our color properly on top of the paper so that we do not leave any white spaces. In this process, if your color breaks, that's not a problem. You can continue coloring with what you have. Make sure you do not color in all directions. You have to choose one direction in which you are comfortable coloring and then go ahead with it. If you color in all the directions, your coloring may look shabby. Now, let's take brown color and start doing the bark of the tree. Don't forget to color the outline first. And now, let's start coloring inside but slowly. Do not go outside the shape. That's amazing! We are done with our tree.